Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And namaste. Good morning. Today I am traveling with my friends to nearby towns in Zaragoza. So stay tuned for an amazing vlog and don't forget to hit the like, subscribe button. See ya. Oh, wait. I'm very sleepy. And it's 7:50 and I am supposed to reach the tram stop by 8. So I will reach. I hope this time I'll be on time. Fingers crossed. Hi guys, so we are done with the city number 2 and now I'm going towards my bus for city number 3. It's fun, but because of the sun it's sometimes hot, sometimes cold, but it's fun. It's a new adventure and see you in the next city. Hi guys, I'm in my third city now, Calatayud. I hope I'm saying it correctly. It's nice. We just had lunch in a 4-star hotel and now there is a tour guide there and we are exploring the city. We just saw one of the monuments that I showed you in the last clip. And yeah, we are seeing the city. I'm gonna show you with my back camera, and don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button and stay till the end, okay? Hello guys, so this was it for the video. I'm very tired. It's almost like 9:15 or something and I'm home now. It was a fun day. I had like a fun with my friends and it was an amazing trip. And yeah, so if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, support me, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Love you all, bye.